for me particularly. Of course, my friend Mr. Rajnal is also here, and I had just come here to see the water harvesting, what IFB company has done in their campus. Also, I'm supposed to visit Sipla company just to see the water harvesting, but then this gave me an opportunity to have a walk in the establishment of IFB, and I'm so surprised and so impressed because they have got many unique things which are of I would say international standard, many things, and then the employment that they have is almost 2,000. Normally, we politicians many times we bother about that, but then the way the company has contributed to the I would say to the exchequer of the state is tremendous. Every 12 seconds they manufacture a machine, and I wish them that they should be the global, I would say, the sellers of IB machine for the world. The company has taken up also. They are very keen about to go for natural power, and then solar panels they have established. Quite huge paneling they have done, and then these are the two assets. I mean, natural resources that they have used. I think every single company should follow in, so that they use solar power as well as water harvesting, and water is conserved. One beautiful thing that we were informed about, that the IF machine which they have come out with the latest model requires only 40 liters,
30 to 40
liters of water. Otherwise, earlier the consumption used to be about 100 liters, 150 liters. I wish the company all the best.
Thank you.
For the future. Then there was a little confusion, like should we waste or spend money? I don't say waste, but spend money on an internal landslides and all that sort of thing, and then who looked after the what I should say flooding areas and all that sort of thing. So there was a little. I would visit that area and take a decision, appropriate decision.
पण फाईल तुमच्याकडे पावले
Not yet.
पाहू नका
सर आणि
People go on dumping. You dump the things for 364 days, and then we do the desilting in 1 day. It's not possible. Like
तर ॲज अ मिनिस्टर तुम्ही डायरेक्ट
Lokela and Kandna, so they don't maintain the
you
level of the
cite an example. I would definitely look into that.
basically
Certainly.
majority of the nullas in Vasco have gone up by
See,
one.
people here in Goa have got a very wrong habit, I would say. Everything from the kitchen, right from the kitchen up to the garden, I would say, they would go and dump in the Nala, which is a bad system. In fact, I am looking into the matter, and then I feel that it should be a penalizing activity. We should penalize the people who dump the things in the Nala. You see, Nala should be a very, I would say, we should look at it as a holistic place, like holistic place in the sense, you see, Nala water upstream the Nala always drains out in the wells, which we use for our daily purpose. So, dumping garbage and what I should say, waste and all that in Nalas should be avoided, should be strictly prohibited.
GSIDC, the minister as well as the chief minister are all in league. So there is not going to be any discrepancies nor any disagreements or any arguments on any issue. So we are taking one single line of thought. That is, we want to see good industries come. We want to see that people get jobs. We want to see that the industry's grievances are being also taken care of. Now, this is the first industry I have been with him. It's because Honorable Minister has come here to see water harvesting, and we had the opportunity of the IFB. The one thing I liked about them was they are trying to get a machine with IFB washing machine, which will require only 20 or 25 liters of water. They are coming. They are testing some technology. See, we want people who are going to be proactive. If there's any company who is proactive, we will give them a green carpet. We want people to come. And I have asked them how many jobs locals have over here. This was my question to them. They said they have got more than 65% locals. And head of one particular department, that is the IT department itself, is a Goan. Electronics. So I feel that we have to, help such type of companies. And we are here to help people. We are here not to create any confusions. And as a chairman of the IDC, I will take all steps along with the chief minister and the industries minister to see that grievances are solved within the shortest possible time. I have got already targets. I won't tell you. Next, you ask me what the next question.
Sir,